Welcome back to That Simple Guide. In today's guide, we're going to take a look at how to add your own sounds to your Discord server's soundboard. If this video is useful, please consider subscribing so we can get the non-photoshopped version of this thing. Alright, so let's get right started. First, we want to head to the Discord server, which in my case is this one right here. And then from here in the top left, click on your server's name and then click on server settings. And then from there, go to Soundboard and click on Upload Sound. Then from here, we're gonna have to choose a file, so just click on that. And then head to the location where you have your audio file and then click Open. Then here you have a preview where you can play it, and you can also use these sliders to adjust how long the sound is. Nice. So then you're gonna have to give your sound a name, and you can choose a related emoji, for which you can also use your server emojis. And then you can also adjust the sound volume if it's too loud. Alright, then once you're finished, you can just click on Upload. And as you can see, just like that, we now have the sound added in here. And in order to use it, let me just join a voice channel right here. And then right here, this button opens the soundboard. And then up here, the first thing should be your server's sounds. And then we can just play it from here. And if you have Nitro, you should also be able to use it in other places. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.